Welcome to the 5th week of English 102 summer semester. This week we will be working on finding sources, writing a thesis, and writing a good lead for the Unit 2 essay. You do not have any assigned readings this week because you will be doing your own research and reading articles for your essay. To start the week off, you will post to the group topic discussion forum. Choose the topic that best fits the angle you are taking on pop culture and post the research proposal paragraph you completed last week. Reply to the thread by renaming the post with your name. Your responses to the discussion will consist of you posting sources you found in your research. You should include a brief annotation. Note that this can come directly from your annotated bibliography and why you think it is useful. Please post at least 3 sources that other group members might find useful. You also have an annotated bibliography due this week. Make sure you start working on this early in the week. You need to find at least 10 sources for this assignment. Remember that at least 2 sources must be scholarly, peer-reviewed sources. Review the library video from week 2 if you need help using the library databases. Also, visiting the library and getting help from the librarians is a good idea if you are having trouble finding sources on your topic. You also need to include at least 2 sources for the readings we did as a class. This does not mean that you need to use those sources in your essay, but they must be in your annotated bibliography. Just think of it as 2 less articles you need to read. For each of the sources in your annotated bibliography, you will need the full MLA citation for each source, a brief summary of the source, and an evaluation of the source explaining its strengths and weaknesses and how you could use it in your essay. The Curious Researcher is a good reference for this assignment as well. Review pages 73 to 75. Next, you will post your initial post to both the argument thesis discussion board and the argument lead discussion board. Both of these discussions are activities from the Curious Researcher. For the argument lead discussion, complete exercise 4.2 and write a paragraph to remind your readers of your topic, main ideas, and reasons to support your thesis, and current understanding of your thesis. For the argument lead discussion, you will complete exercise 4.3. You only need to do step 1. For your responses, you should respond to at least 3 students in each discussion board. Be sure to make suggestions to strengthen the thesis in the argument thesis discussion and in the argument lead discussion, complete step 2 of exercise 4.3. Your final assignment for this week is submitting your Unit 2 essay to the group blog. I have created groups for this essay as well. Like before, if you find yourself in a group that is not participating, please let me know. Peer reviews are due next week. Well, that's it for week 5. If you have any questions, please let me know and have a great week.